What is my topologies? So, first thing, topologies are we have a number of topologies in computer networks. So, topologies means it is a network that connected with different elements like nodes and device and routers and these kind of network devices. So this is the main part of the computer networks, because we have to know that we have a number of topologies like a bus and star and a mesh and a point to point and a hybrid and a tree topologies. So this is the types of topology in computer networks. So we have to find this which one is good topology for all the times, which means in the any type of problems occurs or any kind of error detected in the computer network means, so which topology is easily recovered and easily used with efficient of users. So this is how the topologies will used for computer networks. So now we are me and my students are going to discuss about which topology is going to best topology in computer networks. So let me see now.
Hello everyone, this is DT video about disaster management and response time. Our empathy is there are many disasters occurring and for that there is no quick response. To avoid the disaster, we have created a project about disaster management. The disaster will also increase the death rate of the people. It will help before indicating why disaster management. It will pre-indicate the disaster before occurring. Disaster will also help us to know before.
Basic steps like planning, recovery, emergency fund, and cooperation and collaboration. This also involves the technology also. So far, computer networks has been valuable ally for disaster management and prediction. They can ally easily, and they involve basic steps like network implementation, backup planning, emergency requirements, and many other things. Computer networks has been very useful in series of crises. Computer networks has valuable collaboration and cooperations among each other for disaster prediction and management.
The idea of the problem statement, as our friends mentioned, that we are going to use the topology as the main topic, and in topology the data are interconnected and how the data are interconnected and data are how the devices can be shared, as well as we may have many topologies like ring, bus, tree, point-to-point topology, point-to-multipoint topology, and mesh topology. From this, the prototype can have many types. In the testing method, we are going to analyze all the topologies to expand it. The idea for the disaster management response time speaks about topology. The topology is a discrete of mathematics, shapes, and it has many types like bus, tree, point-to-point topology, point-to-multipoint topology, mesh, and ring. As well as we are going to analyze all the topologies and make a conclusion in our testing part. Also, the mesh topology is basically used in all the management systems in the previous references we have analyzed.
As he mentioned already, the network topology in computer networks is more reliable for disaster management and the response time. He mentioned the topological types. Among this, mesh topology is more reliable for the disaster management. The mesh topology is more reliable since it is scalable, flexible, self-healing, and easy deployment. As I mentioned, as it is flexible and scalable, every node can be easily added to this, and this is easy deployment. Since it is easy deployment, it can be a portable device where it can be taken to any environment and can be implemented. The self-healing mentions about the system where if disaster has been occurred, it can directly be intervened. It doesn't need any manual intervention, and it can also be done through the networks. Moving on to the prototype implement. This is a computer network based, and this will be the prototype and the portable device that can be taken to the environment, as I mentioned earlier. The testing part includes that if any disaster has been occurred in an area, this will directly be implemented and it can be solved in a quick response time. As the empathy part is the disaster management and the response time, this can perfectly be done by this computer network and mesh topology. Thank you.